Hello, in this presentation I would like to give you the overview of our RBM's performance enhancement approach. Let me draw your attention to the top chart starting on the very right part, looking at the whale curve of an enterprise for the customer profitability. Our whale curves are designed as two-axis diagrams. On the left y-axis there is the sales volume depicted as bars, whereas on the right y-axis there is the cumulated profit versus the green, blue and red line. As one can easily see, there are around 20% of the customers shown on the x-axis making about 80% of the top profitability, followed by the customer shown by the blue part of the cumulated profit line, which are not adding a lot of profitability. However, they are valuable too. Then there are those customers killing your profitability depicted by the red part of the solid line. Guess it's around 40% of those customers wiping out the cumulated profits down up to the earnings before interest and taxes, which is called EBIT. Now let's focus on the mid part of the top graphic, calling it a six-pack. It consists of the segmentation of the customer cost in two parts. The lower band shows the first 50% cumulated costs to serve costs, followed by the second 50% cumulated cost to serve cost versus the green, blue and red part of the whale curve. Now let's have a look at the upper right deep red colored segment. This segment contains typically those customers you as a company are providing products and service. It happens very often that you are running a monopoly without knowing it. The customers in that segment quite often won by deals made through salespeople not fully understanding the related true profitability. This happens because sales you get a bonus by numbers of deals and revenues, but nobody has the tool for the insight to understand the deal-related profitability. Over time it happens that the cost to serve of customer services are higher than the prices which have been arranged, not overseeing the true profitability. In a nutshell, our performance enhancement approach enables you generating an enterprise detailed business model based on the true costs and providing you with the potential based upon the knowledge of that monopoly. This in combination with an internal benchmarking exercise done on the cost and revenue side produces a multi-dimensional potential. Now you can simulate your change management steps and see what happens when using various handles for simulating your future detailed business model and understand the outcome prior to implementation. This whale curve can be seen as the very left whale curve, demonstrating the potential in showing more and more independence of individual customers and an overall profitability improvement. Around 30% of the depicted whale curve is typically reachable.